What is iMovie? iMovie is a multimedia editor considered by professionals for its non-destructive editing capabilities in films, music, and images. Widely used in Hollywood, it serves as a free alternative for beginners compared to professional-grade editors like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut. So, let's dive into the basics. Create a new project. To kickstart your iMovie journey, click the large plus sign symbol and select Movie. Import footage into iMovie. Import your clips by clicking the Import button or pressing Command plus I. Choose your desired video and audio clips, then click Import Selected. Cut clips and edit your project. Now, let's transform your clips into a cohesive video. Follow this simple 3-step process. Step 1. Drag a clip into the timeline. Click and drag your clip onto the timeline, appearing below the video timeline. Step 2. Adjust and trim. Your clip, easily trim by clicking the clip's edge and dragging backward to your desired length. Step 3. Repeat with other clips. Drag additional clips onto the timeline, adjusting edges to trim them accordingly. Let's add audio. Overlay audio by dragging the audio clip under the video timeline. Add titles. Explore the Titles tab for pre-rendered title animations. Drag the chosen template above your video timeline and adjust the text to fit. How to use the iMovie's toolbar? In the upper right corner of the iMovie interface, you'll discover a versatile toolbar equipped with a spectrum of features designed to enhance your video editing experience. Let's do a detailed breakdown of each option. Color balance and color corrections. Tweak the colors in your video. Adjust the color balance and make color corrections to achieve the desired visual aesthetics in your footage. Cropping. Crop and rotate your video. Tailor your video frame by cropping and rotating to focus on specific elements or achieve a particular composition. Stabilization. Stabilize shaky footage. Smooth out jittery or shaky video clips, providing a more professional and polished look to your final product. Volume. Mute or lower the original video volume. Noise reduction and equalizer. Reduce background noise. Minimize unwanted background noises in your audio track, providing a clearer and more focused auditory experience. Speed. Adjust video speed, slow-mo, freeze frames, or reverse. Control the pacing and flow of your video by altering its speed, creating dynamic effects such as slow motion, freezing frames, or playing footage in reverse. Color and audio filters. Apply filters. Enhance the visual and auditory aspects of your video by applying various filters to achieve specific moods or styles. Clip information. Display clip name and date. Access essential information about your clips, including their names and dates, helping you organize and manage your project effectively. To further elevate your editing prowess, explore the audio section within the toolbar to seamlessly integrate music into your movie. Additionally, use the backgrounds option to include captivating animations that can enhance the overall visual appeal. And, in the transitions category, choose animations that smoothly connect different video footage, providing a professional and cohesive transition between scenes. How to export an iMovie? Navigate to the top right corner, click the Export button, and choose your desired platform. Click Save in iMovie, and your video is ready for publishing without the hassle of complicated settings. Congratulations on creating and exporting your first video in iMovie. Let us know what you've created in the comments section. You're on your way to becoming a master iMovie user, but there's lots more to learn. Now, if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.